And so when you're doing like marketing and things like that, you really have to know who do you want to attract, understand how their brain works. Like usually by default you attract people that are like you. That's kind of why like you pick your friends. Typically your friends, it's not opposites attract. It is in the business world, definitely. But when you're young and you think you're meeting your love of your life, all that crazy stuff, you don't really know like how it's working. But then when you understand the psychology behind it, so I'm gonna tell you a funny story. I'm totally going, but this is important. So opposites attract. I think I told this story. How it's like golds and oranges attract each other. Lots of women are gold. They're caretakers. Lots of men are orange. And so orange men need gold women or vice versa. You could be an alien. You could be purple. It doesn't matter. Those personalities attract. Gold people need spontaneity every once in a while, but they're not good at it. And orange people need structure to pay their bills on time and like things like that, right? So they attract. Green and blue, same thing. So green needs a little bit of the blue to take care of them, to have a little bit of soft heart. And then blue needs a green to make the decisions because they can't make them. But sometimes people's numbers are so off. This is why people cheat so frequently, because you spend more time at work than you do at home. I know now, like when I turn around 30, I'm like, okay, I know who I am. I know what I want. I know what I don't want. I know what I like to do. I know where my strengths are. I know where my weaknesses are. And then I'm going to surround myself with people that are amazing at the things I'm not, and we're going to work together as a team. So I kind of started to figure it out. So it's like the older you get, especially if you're not married or you don't have a partner, you get set in your ways, and unless you meet someone just like you or you can conform, it's not worth it. Marriage is a fucking job. Let's be honest. I watched my parents go through it. I watched my couples go through it. I look at some people and I'm like, if you don't respect each other's color, you ain't gonna make it, because you're blue and you're green and you're gonna go to work and meet a blue boy or blue girl, whatever way you want to go, and they're gonna pay attention to you the way you need it, and you're done, right? So there's a lot of distractions. So if you know what you like and if you know what you're gonna respect, you have to respect each other. But a lot of couples don't know these things. And again, like it's a great balance. Like when I have two orange people getting married, I'm like, this is gonna be a hell of a party and we're gonna have so much fun. But they don't use the word deadline. And so it's like, I'm just like, and they'll pay late fees, like they just don't care. I mean, so a lot of times I'm just like, okay, so this is what we're doing and I have your credit card, this is just what we have to do. But for first marriages, that rarely happens because it's the opposites attract. It's the second marriages where they kind of know what they want more. Most of our clients are over 30 anyway, so they're more established. And usually you kind of attract what you are, but then also, like, it's not always amazing. Like, it's kind of annoying sometimes that they won't make a decision and they don't understand a deadline. But I also have to understand how to act a different color to get things done so that we have deadlines. Like...